శ్రీ గురుభ్యో నమః. శివాయ గురవే నమః. టుడే ఈజ్ అష్టమి, కార్తీక బహుళ అష్టమి, బుధవారం, known as Budhashtami. On that occasion, in the Pradoshakala, go through the Siva Tandava Stotram done by the Ravanasura. Ravanasura's Siva Tandava Stotram. It has 15 slokas and it has a lot of Shabda Shakti along with the deep meaning of yoga and Shiva's Tandava, the dance. It goes like this. First sloka. జటాటవీ గలజ్జల ప్రవాహ పావిత స్థలే గలేవలంబ్యలంబితాం భుజంగతుంగమాలికాం డమ 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 డమన్నినాదవడ్డమర్వయం చకార చండ తాండవం తనోతు న శివ శివం. జటాటవీ గలత్ జలప్రవాహ పావిత స్థలే. సో జటాటవీ, అటవీ, the forest of jatas, the locks. Galat, which is flowing out of such jatatavi, galat. Jalapravaha, the water's flow of water, jalapravaha. Pavita, so purified, pavita sthale, the place is being purified by the water flowing from the locks of the jatas, jatatavi. In such a place, gale avalambya lambitam, gale avalambya lambitam, from the neck, galam, gala is neck, avalambya, holding on to that neck, lambitam, which is hanging from there, gale avalambya lambitam, Bhujanga Tunga Malikam. Bhujanga Tunga Malikam. The very large serpents, Bhujangas, Bhujanga Tunga Malikam. Like the garlands of Bhujanga, large Bhujangas hanging from the Galevalambya Lambitam Bhujanga Tunga Malikam. Dhamat 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 Dhamat. Dhamat 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 Dhamat. Dhamadama Dhamadama. Loud sound. Ninadavat Ninadavat Dhamarvayam. Dhamad 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 Dhaman Ninadavat Dhamarvayam. The Dhamaru, which is making the sound of Dhamad 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 Dhamat. Ninadavat Dhamar Dhamaru Ayam Ayam Dhamaru. Chakara Chanda Tandavam Tanotuna Shiva Shivam. Chakara, he has done. What something is done, acharana, chakara. Chanda Tandavam, Tevramaina Tandavan Pratyam. Very powerful dance, chakara, Chanda Tandavam. Who is doing? Sivaha, chakara, ayam Sivaha, naha, tanotu, naha, Sivaha, Sivam. Sivaha, Sivam tanotu, that is the desire. That is the request. This Sivaha, who is doing this Chanda Tandavam, Sivam Tanotu. Sivam auspiciousness, Tanotu, let that auspiciousness get expanded, given to us, Naha, for us, collectively for us, all of us. Sivam Sino, Sivah Sivam Tanotu. So Jatatavi Jagadjala, first sloka is done. Second sloka. Jatakataha Sambrahma Brahmannilimpa Nirjhari Vilola Vichi Vallari Virajamana Murdhani Dhagad 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 Jwalal Lalata Patta Pavake Kishora Chandra Sekhare Ratihi Pratikshanam Mama. Jatakataha Sambrahmat. Jatakataha. Kataha is the vessel. Jatakataha. The jatas are the locks, the hair of Shiva, became like a kataha in a vessel. Sambrahma Brahmat Nilimpa Nirjhari. Nilimpa Nirjhari is the divine space flowing water, Ganga. Nilimpa Nirjari, Sambhrama Brahmat is only able to go around in that kataha, in that vessel, in that container. Nilimpa Nirjari fell in there and it is only going around there. With Vilola Vichi Vallari, with all the waves of it. Vilola Vichi Vallari, Virajamana Murdhani. The Murdhani, the head, is Virajamana, brightly emitting the bright light Vallari with this Ganga's Tarangas, Ganga Taranga. Vilola Vichi Vallari Virajamana Murdhani. Now, a contrast. Dhagad, 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 jvalallalata pattapavake. But on the lalata, on the forehead, lalata, dhagad, 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 jvala, who is having bright light again, that water and this fire. Agnishomatmakan jagat. Dhagad, 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 jvalat, lalata pattapavake, Kishora Chandrasekhare. So Kishora Chandra, Balachandra, Sekhare. So along with that moon. So water, moon, fire. Water and moon is Soma, fire is Agni. So combination is the world. Agni Shomatmakan Jagat. So Kishora Chandra Sekhare. In that Kishora Chandra Sekhare, that is locative case Chandra Sekhare, Mama Pratikshanam Ratihi. In me, the love or Rati happen in such Kishora Chandrasekhare. Let me have that divine love towards this God who is having Jatagataha, Sambhramat Brahman Nilimpa Nirjari and Dhagad 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 Jvalallalata Pattapavake. That is the second sloka. Third sloka goes like this. Dharadharendra Nandini Vilasa Bandhu Bandhuras Puraddiganta Santati Pramodamana Manase Krupakataksha Dhorani Niruddha Duddharapadi Kvachit Digambare Mano Vinodametu Vastuni. Dharadharendra Nandini. Dharadhara Indra. Of mountains, king. King of mountains, Dharadharendra Nandini. Vilasa Bandhu Bandhuraha, Vilasa Bandhu, of the Vilasa of her, Vilasa Bandhu Bandhuraha, the ornaments of Dharadharendra Nandini, Spraddiganta Santati, so the brightness or the effulgence of these ornaments of Dharadharendra Nandini, Vilasa Bandhu Bandhura, Spraddiganta Santati, Sprat Diganta Santati. All the directions are sprat, brightened by that light of the ornaments of the Dharadharendra Nandini Vilasa Bandhu Bandhuraha. So, Pramodamana Manase, by seeing that Santati is actually means the children also. Sprat Diganta Santati. So, if we wanted to understand in that way, it is the Divine Mother's children, all of us around, in all Digat, Spurat Diganta Santati, by looking at it, Pramodamana Manase, his mind is made happy, Pramoda, Moda, Pramoda, fully Ananda, Pramoda is Ananda, Pramodamana Manase, in such person, in such Siva, Kripa Kataksha Dhorani Niruddha Duddharapati. Kripa Kataksha Dhorani. Kripa is compassion. Kataksha, in the view of this Sankara, Kripa Kataksha Dhorani. Dhorani is the flow of Kripa Kataksha from his eyes. Niruddha Duddharapadi. This Kripa Kataksha, what it is doing? Niruddha, it is containing, controlling the apadas or vipat or the dangers or the troubles or problems. Durdharapadi, that is also very difficult to cross apadas. So apada itself means something which cannot be controlled by one's own abilities. Danger. Beyond one's own control, something happens, that is the danger. That is the apada. Durdharapadi, that to difficult apadas. Niruddha. Controlled, contained, cut away. Niruddha. Nirodha. Niruddha Duddharapadi. Kvachit digambare vastuni. Kvachit, that digambare vastuni. That vastu, that truth, that reality is digambara. Only diks are the directions are as ambaras. His dress is the directions. It expands forever. Each direction goes forever, infinitely forever. Kvachit digambare vastuni manaha vinodametu. My mind take vinodam, take pleasure, take enjoyment in such vastu, in such eternal thing, in such eternal reality. Vastu means thing, vastu means reality. So, Dharadharendra Nandini Vilasa Bandhu Bandhuraha. Third sloka is done. Fourth sloka. Jatabhujanga Pingala Spratphanamani Prabhakadamba Kunkumadrava Pralipta Digvadhumukhe Madandha Sindhura Spuratvaguttariya Medure Mano Vinodamadbhutam Bibhartu Bhuta Bhartari. Jatabhujanga. So these bhujangas are there on the Galevalambya and the Kantha. In the Jata also the bhujangas are there. Jata Bhujanga Pingala Spurat. So the red Pingala Varna is the light red Kanti, effulgence of this Phanamani. So the manis, the jewels which are naturally in these large serpents, Phanamani, Prabha Kadamba, Mani Prabha, Mani, Phanamani, Prabha Kadamba Kunkumadrava Pralipta Digvadhu Mukhe. Kunkumadrava. So it is like Kunkumadrava, red color, Kunkumadrava Pralipta. So Pralipta, Lipta is the paste or the Digvadhu Mukhe. Dik are the vadhus, are the directions are the vadhus, are the damsels. Mukhe. So Dig Mukhe, Digvadhu Mukhe, which is how it is in the red color, Kunkumadrava Pralipta Digvadhu Mukhe. Madandha Sindhura Spuratvaguttariya Medure. Madandha Sindhuraha. With Mada Andha, there is a Gaja, Sindhura, Madandha Sindhuraha. So with Mada, this Gajasura, Madandha Sindhuraha, Tvaguttariya Medure. His skin has been taken out, which is very bright skin, that is Spurat Tvak, not normal Tvak. Spurat, Madandha Sindhura Spurat Tvak. The skin, Uttariya Medure, wearing it as the Uttariya, or the upper cloth, Uttariya Medure. Mano Vinodam Adbhutam Bibhartu Bhuta Bhartari. Bhuta Bhartari, Bharta of Bhutas, Lord of all beings. Bhuta Bhartari, Tvaguttariya Medure, such Bhuta Bharturi, Manaha, my mind, Adbhutam Vinodam Bibhartu. Let my mind be filled with this wonderment, Adbhutam Vinodam, enjoyment of that Adbhutam, wonderment and joyful wonderment, fill my mind of this Jata Bhujanga Pingala Spuratphanamani Prabha Kadamba Kunkumadrava Pralipta Digvadhu Mukhe Madandha Sindhurat Spuratvaguttariya Medure Mano Vinodam Adbhutam Bibhartu Bhuta Bhartari. It's a wonderful meaning. Fourth sloka is done. We are getting into the fifth sloka. Sahasralochana Prabhritya Sesha Lekha Sekhara Prasuna Dhuli Dhorani Vidhusarangri Pithabhu Bhujanga Rajamalaya Nibaddha Jata Jotakaha Sriyaichiraya Jayatam Chakora Bandhu Sekharaha. So, this is the full description of Chakora Bandhu Sekharaha. Chakora is a bird which eats only on the light of moon. So, moonlight eating Chakora. Chakora Bandhu is the friend of Chakora is moon, Sekhara, one who is wearing the moon on the head. So what is happening from the pada? He is coming, that is the head. So pada, Sahasra Lochana Prabhrutya Sesha Lekha Sekhara. So right from, starting from Indra, Sahasra Lochana, thousand-eyed God is Indra. Prabhuti Asesha Lekha Sekhara. Starting from Indra, everybody. Prabhuti Asesha Lekha Sekhara. All their heads. Prasuna Dhuli Dhorani Vidhosarangri Petabhu. On their heads there are flowers. In their makutas, in their heads, they are wearing these crowns. On their crowns there are wonderful flowers. These flowers have having the pollen. That pollen is falling. Vishu Prasuna Dhuli is the pollen. Prasuna Dhuli is the dhuli, the dust, which has the ability to give birth. Prasuna, to one that can give birth. So the flower pollen has the ability to give birth to new flowers, fruit, etc. Dhorani Vidhusarangri Petabhu. That dust is making it the Petabhu, the Peta, the stand on which Shankara's feet are put. The feet stand, footstool. Vidhusarangri Petabhu. Bhujanga Rajamalaya Nibaddha Jata Jotakaha. Bhujanga Rajamalaya. This is like kings of Bhujangas. They are not ordinary snakes. Bhujanga Rajamalaya. With those garlands. Nibaddha Jata Jotakaha. Having this Bhujanga Rajamalaya Nibaddha Jata Jotakaha. Sriyai Chiraya Jayatam. Chiraya Sriyai. The Sri which is going to be permanent, which is not going to go away, which is not going to be lost. That is the moksha. Chiraya Sirai, Sriyai Chiraya, Jayatam. It take birth, it may come. Chakora Bandhu Sekarha, Bhujang Nibaddha Jata Jotakaha, Chiraya Sriyai Jayatam. So that may occur to us by meditating upon this Vigraha, starting from feet to the head. Chakora Bandhu Sekaraha. Gone from feet to head, we have done one meditation on the God with this one sloka. So the sloka number 6. Lalata Chatvarajvala Dhananjaya Sphulinga Bha Nipita Panchasayakam Naman Nilimpanayakam Sudha Mayukha Lekhaya Virajamana Sekharam Mahakapali Sampade Sirojatala Naha. Lalata Chatvara. So Lalata is forehead. Lalata Chatvara. Chatvara is the Vedika, or it is the place, Lalata Chatvara Jvalat. On that Pitika, on that Lalata Chatvara Jvalat Dhananjaya Sphulinga Bha. The fire which is giving the Sphulingas, or the Agni Khanas, going out. Bha, that light. What is the greatness of that light or that fire is Nipita Panchasayakam. Panchasayakam is Manmadha, the lord of desire. Manmadha has been Nipita, is drunken away or burnt away by that light which is falling from the Lalata Chatvara Jvalat Dhananjaya Sphulinga Bhan Nipita Panchasayakam Namat Nilimpanayakam. Nilimpanayaka is king of gods, Indra. So Namat, he is in front doing the namaskara. He is bowing down to this Sudha Mayukha Lekhaya Amruta Kirana. Sudha Mayukha Lekhaya. This is the light coming from the moon. Sudha Mayukha Lekhaya Virajamana Sekharam. The head which is brightened by the light of the Sudha Mayukha Lekhaya, that Amruta Kiranas. This is the fire, Agni and Soma Kirana. Parallelly, it is, both are there in this set. Sudha Mayukha Lekhaya Virajamana Sekharam Siro jatalam astunaha. Siro jatalam shiraha. On the siro, the lot of hair. Jatalam is like big jatas. And Mahakapali. What is this Mahakapala? Mahakapali Sampade. Mahakapali Naha Sampade Astu. So this Mahakapala is the Kapala of Brahma. So beyond time, as the Kapalas of Brahmas, multiple Kapalas are fallen, these Kapalas are taken and worn by the Shankara. So Mahakapali, such Mahakapali, Sampade, further Sampadas, Astu Naha. So he himself become the Sampada for us, or the wealth for us, all of us who are doing this recitation, meditation on the Sivatandava Stotram. So the sixth sloka is that. Seventh sloka. Karala phala pattika dhagad 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 jwala dhananjayahuti kruta prachanda panchasayake dharadharendra nandini kuchagra chitrapatraka prakalpanaika silpini trilochane ratirmama. Karala phala pattika. Again we are going back to the phala pattika, which is Karala phala pattika. Very ferocious that light is, that fire is. Karala phala pattika, which can burn the whole of the world. Karala phala pattika, dhagad 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 jwalat, dhaga dhaga dhaga, dhananjaya, ahuti kruta. In that Dhananjaya, ahuti kruta, who he has put the ahuti into Dhananjaya, who is that Panchasayake? Again Manmatha. Manmatha has been ahuti kruta. He has done ahuti in that dhagad 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 jwala. Prachanda Panchasayake. So this Panchasayaka, the lord of desire, is Prachanda. He is also very ferocious. He can cause a lot of troubles to the people who are not controlled the desire. So next he comes Dharadharendra Nandini Kuchagra Chitrapatrakaha. Dharadharendra Nandini. Dharadhara is the mountain king, king of mountains, Himalaya, Himalaya's daughter, Dharadharendra Nandini. Kuchagra Chitrapatrakaha. Who can draw the pictures on the Kuchagras of that Dharadharendra Nandini. So what are these Kuchas? So if it is Surya and Chandra is considered as Kuchas of Parvati. So Prakalpana Ekasilpini, who can draw the picture of the world using sun and moon, or the fire and Soma. He is only Shiva. Prakalpanaika Silpinihi, he is the Silpi, he is the architect of this world, who can create this world view on using or with Dharadharendra Nandini Kuchagra Chitrapatrakaha. Such Trilochane, who is having three Lochanas, Trilochane Ratirmama. Sun and moon are considered as Lochanas of Shiva, Kuchas of Parvati. In both ways, Surya Chandrau Sthanau Devyaha Tavena Nayanau Smrutau. They are only known as eyes, they are only known as Thanas also. Vishwa Poshaka, from the point of view of nourishing this world, what gives food to this world, what gives milk to this world, are the combination of this Surya and Chandra. The sun's light and moonlight give birth to all the food, all the milk on this earth, all the food stuff on this earth, based on which all the things are living. So they are considered as thanas of the mother, they are considered as eyes of the father. So that is Dharadharendra Nandini Kuchagra Chitrapatraka Prakalpanaika Shilpini Trilochane Ratirmama. So 8th sloka. Navina Megha Mandali Niruddha Durdhara Spurat Kuhuni Siddhini Tamah Prabandha Baddhakandhara Nilimpa Nirjharidhara Stanotu Krutya Sindhura Kalanidhana Bandhura Sriyam Jagadhurandhara. Navina Megha Mandali Niruddha Durdhara Spurat. Navina Megha Mandali. New Navina Megha is the cloud. Mandali, arrays of new black clouds. Niruddha Durdhara Spurat. with that black spurat, that is also bright blackness. It is not dark blackness. That blackness is also spurat turdhara niruddha. Kuhu Nisidhini. So there are two types of Amavasya. There is something called Kuhu Amavasya and Sinivali Amavasya. Amavasya, when it is the night Amavasya, it is Amavasya starts in 14th day and then night extends into the Amavasya, night extends into the night. It is called Kuhu Amavasya, which is darker night. Sinivali is the other way. So the Amavasya starts later in the night and then it attaches with the Pajyami. That is called Sinivali Amavasya. Kuhu Nisidhini. So that like Kuhu Amavasya, Nisidhini, in the midnight of Kuhu Amavasya, that type of Tamah Prabandhaha, Tama, that type of darkness, which reminds that type of darkness, that kind of dark spot of on the neck, who is having that Prabandhabadha Kandharaha, Kandhara is neck. So this gives us an indication that Halahala has been put into the Shankara's Gala, Kandhara. So it has given him on the pure white body a black spot. So that spot reminds us of that kripa of the Lord who allows these worlds to continue. If that is this Halahala is not controlled or not regulated by the God, the world will not be there. So Halahala is being controlled by this. Kandharaha, such Nilimpa Nirjari Dharaha. Nilimpa Nirjari Dharaha Tanotu Krutti Sindhuraha was Kruttivasa, that Gajasura's Tvak has been Kalanidhana Bandhuraha. All Kalas, Kalanidhana is who is having the growth and decay Kalas, that is Chandra. Moon has the growth and decay. Bandhuraha, who has held on to such a Kalanidhana Bandhura. Jagadhurandharaha, one who is holding this world. Jagat world, Dhurandhara, who is holding it, who is bearing it. Sriyam Tanotu. Again, as in the first sloka, he gives us a Sriyam. Sriyam is Shreyas. Shreyas is prosperity, which takes us into the future of prosperous future. It is not that some wealth which will decay, diminish over the time, which will uplift us is the Sriyam. Sriyam Tanotu. That Sriyam gets expanded by this God. Navina Megha Mandali Niruddha Durdhara Spurat. That is the 8th sloka. 9th sloka. Prafulla Neela Pankaja Prapanchakalima Prabhavalambi Kanthakandali Ruchi Prabadhakandharam Smarachidam Purachidam Bhavachidam Makhachidam Gajachidam Dhakachidam Tamantakachidam Bhaje. So we are this and the next sloka need to be understood together. Prafulla Neela Pankaja Prapanchakalima Prabha. Prafulla, fully bloom, Neela Pankaja, black lotus. Prafulla Neela Pankaja Prapanchakalima Prabha. So the sequence of such Neela Pankajas, Prafulla Neela Pankaja Prapanchakalima Prabha, the black light of that Prabha of the light, such light, Avalambi, which appears like Kanthakandali Ruchi, the neck, as we described in the last sloka. Same Kantha, Kandhara, we are Prabadha Kandharam. So the neck having that kind of a black light Kandharam. For what? We are calling up something. Smarachidam, who has removed the Smara, Smarachidam. Purachidam, who has removed the Tripuras, Purachidam. Bhavachidam, who has cut away the head of Bhava or the creator God. Bhavachidam. Makhachidam. There is a Makha, there is Daksha Yajna. He has started Nirishwara Yaga and that has been destroyed, demolished by this. Gajachit, who has killed this Gaja. We have been discussing about this Gajachita. Andhakachitam. there is one Andhakasura underneath the legs of, under the pada of this dancing Shiva. Andhakachidam. Tam Antakachidam. Then we are calling out that he has killed the Yama in one Markandeya Upakhyana, and Markandeya, when Yama tried to take away the life of Markandeya, he has been kicked with the left leg of Shiva, and Yama has actually been killed at that time and again reinstated. So, and this need to be understood with the next sloka, 10th sloka. Akharva sarva mangala kala kadamba manjari rasa pravaha madhuri vijrumbhana madhuvratam smarantakam purantakam bhavantakam makhantakam gajantakandhakantakam tamantakantakam bhaje. Akharva sarva mangala. So sarva mangala is a word only can be applied to goddess divine mother Parvati. Akharva sarva mangala. Akharva, without any gap, without any lack, there is nothing lacking. Akharva sarva mangala, all the auspiciousness, all the mangalas, sarva mangala. Kalakadamba manjari. Kalakadamba manjari. Manjari is the bouquet. Those Kala Kadambas, Kadamba Manjari, Mangala Gauri Devi, Mangala Gauri Devi, Kala Kadamba Manjari, Rasa Pravaha Madhuri. Rasa is the Makaranda or the essence, Pravaha Madhuri. From that bouquet of Akarva Sarva Mangala, Kala Kadamba Manjari, Rasa Pravaha Madhuri. Rasa Pravaha, the flow of nectar, Rasa Pravaha, Madhuri, Madhura. Madhuri rasa pravaha. Vijrumbhana madhuvratam. So he is the bumblebee. Madhuvratam Vijrumbhana. So he drinks the nectar which is flowing from this Akharva sarva mangala kala kadamba manjari rasa pravaha madhuri Vijrumbhana madhuvratam. Such a madhuvratam. We are again calling up same thing, but now we are not saying chidam, we are saying smarantakam, purantakam, bhavantakam, makhantakam, gajantakandhakantakam, tam antakantakam bhaje. Again we are calling up same thing. Smarantakam, who has removed the smara, purantakam, purari, bhavantakam, makhantakam, gajantakam, andhakantakam, tam antakantakam bhaje. I am praying, I am taking refuge in such antakantakam. So what is the use of all these antakas? So he is removing the negativity from all of this. Smara is the desire. Desire has been removed and reinstated. Purantakam, puras have been removed. With that, the difficulties of Tripurasuras have been removed, but the rest of the puras have been protected. Bhavantakam, the fifth head of Bhava has been, that is the root cause of all creation, is been removed. Thereby, negativity is gone away from there also. Makhantakam, even the Daksha Yajna has been removed, but again Daksha has been given a head, and with Ishvara the Yajna is continued. Gajantaka, even the Gaja is removed, his skin is been worn by Shiva himself. Andhakantakam, Andhaka is also not completely removed. The darkness, ignorance is controlled under the feet of this god. Tam antakantakam bhaje. Even though Yama has been reinstated. Time. So he is beyond the time. So all these things which cause trouble, problem to the individuals have been controlled by the Shiva. So by taking refuge in him, neither the birth, nor the death, nor the ignorance, nor the desire, nor the anything, all the bhavas, makhas, nothing, or the makha is actually the karma, daily actions. Daksha is the capability, the one's own capabilities. They don't cause trouble to any person. So that is the meaning of 9th and 10th slokas of this stotra. 11th sloka. Jayatvadabhra vibhrama bhramadbhujangamasvasat vinirgamat kramaspurat karala phalahavyavat dhimid 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 dhvanan mrudanga tunga mangala dhvanikrama pravartita prachanda tandava Shivaha. Jayatu is, we have to put it in the end. adabhra vibhrama bhramas, adabhra vibhrama bhramat, adabhra, very big, huge, adabhra, vibhrama bhramat, so very fast rotating, vibhrama bhramat, bhujangam ashyasat, so the bhujangas, the snakes, or the snakes always represent time. They are doing ashwasat, they are doing their exhalation with the sound, ashwasat. Ashvyasa, ashvyasa is breathe in, breathe out. When the bhujanga is breathing out, the sound comes bus bus, that bus. Vinirgamat kramaspurat, so this is while coming out, that kramaspurat, there is with a krama, with a beat, kramaspurat, so the sound and the air, the what is coming out, karala phala havyavat, so kramaspurat, karala phala havyavat, the spurat, the spura, the light, which is emitting, karala phala havyavat, havyavat is having on the phala, on this forehead, this dhimid 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 dhvanat, dhimid 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 dhvanat, dhimid dhimid dhimi, with that sound, this dhvana is mangala dhvani. Dhimid 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 dhvanat mrudanga tunga mangala dhvani. So mrudanga tunga mangala dhvani, when Shiva is doing the tandava, one who is actually beating the mrudanga is Vishnu. Vishnu comes there and he does this tala, mrudanga talam is been given. So ఈ ధ్వని క్రమ ప్రవర్తిత, సో నౌ శివ ఈజ్ డాన్సింగ్ యాజ్ పర్ ద ధ్వని గివెన్ బై ద విష్ణు, ఇట్ అపియర్స్ లైక్ దట్. సో శివ విష్ణు, they are always coordinated, they are doing the same thing, one is giving the sound, other one is dancing. So dhimid dhimid dhiman mrudanga tunga mangala dhvanikramat pravartita prachanda tandava shivaha. Prachanda Tandavaha, he is performing this Prachanda Tandavam, this great dance, the universal dance of this universe. Shivaha, so we have to put Jayatu, let him be victorious. So who are we to say his victory? This Jaya Sabda is a great mantra. By saying Jaya to the Supreme Lord, that Jaya will come to us. So Jayatvadabhra Vibhrama Brahmat Bhujanga Brahmat Bhujangamasya Sat. So that's Ashvyasa Kramaspurat Karalabhat. So this busa of the snake is for the air, light, and Mrudanga Dhvani. These three different types of energies are coming out, the spandas, they are the vibrations. These vibrations are coming from this dance. So such Mrudanga Dhvani who is dancing, who will give this Jayatu to us. 12th sloka. This is very highest of Vedanta, very close to my heart. I have blogged a long time back about this sloka. Drushad vichitra talpayor bhujanga mauktikasrajoh garishta ratnaloshtayoh suhrud vipaksha pakshayoh trunaravinda chakshusho prajamahi mahendrayo samapravurtika kada sadasivam bhajamyaham. Drushat vichitra talpayoh. Drushat is stone. So there is a hard stone or a soft, very well made bed. Drushat vichitra talpayoh. This is a dvandva. So there one side is a very hard stone on which one can sleep, and vichitra talpayoh, talpa is the bed. Bhujanga mauktikasrajoh. Bhujanga is a snake, or mauktikasraja, the pearl necklace. So in both two again. Garishta ratna loshtayoh, great gem, diamond. Loshtayoh, mud. Suhrud vipaksha pakshayoh. Suhrud, friendly, vipaksha, enemy, pakshayoh, these groups of friends and enemies. Truna aravinda chakshushos. Truna is a grass, blade of grass. Aravinda chakshusha is great creator Brahma. Praja, normal people. Mahi Mahendrayo, the great lord of this world, are great kings in this world, are leaders of this world. Praja Mahi Mahendrayoho Samapravruttikaha Kada, having the equanimous view in all these dualities, Kada, when Sadasivam, of this great Sadasiva, ever auspicious consciousness Sadasivam, Bhajamyaham, when will I take refuge in this Sadasiva with this kind of samapravrutti. So this is what is the poet, now in this case this is Ravana, he has seen that kind of a samadhi, and then giving out this sloka which gives the complete essence of samatvam yoga uchyate tulyaninda stutirmauni, all these things, samasyatraucha mitrecha tadha manapamanayo, all these things are coming from the Bhagavad Gita. All this samatvam is been told in one sloka. దృషద్ విచిత్రతల్పయో భుజంగ మౌక్తికస్రజో గరిష్ట రత్నలోష్టయో సుహృద్బృహత్పక్షపక్షయో తృణారవిందచక్షుషో ప్రజామహీ మహేంద్రయో సమప్రవృత్తిక కదా సదాశివం భజామ్యహం. అండ్ అగైన్ 13th శ్లోక. కదా నిలింప నిర్ఝరి నికుంజకోటరే వసన్ విముక్త దుర్మతి సదా శిరస్థమంజలిన్ వహన్ విలోలలోలలోచనోలలామఫాలలగ్నకః శివేతి మంత్రముచ్చరన్ వదా సుఖీ భవామ్యహం. కదా, వెన్, నిలింప నిర్ఝరి నికుంజకోటరే వసన్. నిలింప నిర్ఝరి, దట్ దేవనది గంగా, నిలింప నిర్ఝరి, దట్ డివైన్ స్ట్రీమ్ గంగా, దట్ తీర వేర్ ఇన్ వారణాసి, నికుంజకోటరే, in that kotare, in that region, vasan, who is staying there, vimukta durmatihi, all my bad thoughts, I am freed from my bad thoughts. Durmatihi, my bad thinking, durmati, bad thought, bad mind. Vimukta durmatihi sada anjalim sirastham vaham, having this mukulita hasta anjali, the joined hands, bowing down, putting it in my head, sirastham, on the head, vahan, keeping this anjali on my head, vilola lochanaha, vilola lola lochanaha, so not having this wavering of my eyes, so one concentrated mind, lalama phala lagnakaha, having put that on the lalama phala lagnaka, who is having this fire on his on the lalama phala lagnaka, having on my own, you can consider it as our own center of ice, lalama phala lagnaka, siveti mantram, siva iti mantram, this mantra siva ucharan, by speaking siva, kada, when, aham sukhi bhavami, when will I become happy by doing this? Nilimpa nirjari, sitting in there, nikunja kotare vasan, vimukta durmati sada sirastha manjalin mohan, viloma lola lochano lalama phala lagnakaha. This is the yoga, one line. Vilola lola lochano, what is lola is wavering, lochana eyes, vilola, by controlling that, bringing that shaking down, lalama phala lagnakaha, by concentrating on the lalama phala, on that agni pradesha of our forehead, శివేతి మంత్రముచ్చరన్, శివాయితి మంత్రముచ్చరన్, కదా సుఖీ భవామ్యహం. ఫైనలీ 14th శ్లోక. ఇమం హి నిత్యమేవ ముక్తముత్తమోత్తమం స్థవం పఠన్ స్మరన్ బ్రువన్నరో విశుద్ధమేతి సంతతం, హరే గురౌ సుభక్తిమాసు యాతి నాన్యథాంగతిం, విమోహనం హి దేహినాం సుశంకరస్య చింతనం. ఇమం హి, దిస్, imam, this one, evam, in this way, imam hi uktam, by saying this, nityam eva, always, nityam, continuously, always, eva uktam, uttamottamam sthavam, greatest of the great sthavas, stotras, patan, by reading, smaran, by remembering or recollecting, bruvan, by speaking, naro visuddhim yeti, the people, humans, vishuddhim, purity, eti, one gets purified by this, santatam, always santatam, hare gurau subhaktimasu, in the hari, in guru, subhaktim, good devotion will come, ashu yati, na anyadhagatim, so not on the other way, he will not, na yati anyadhagatim, so other, on the different way, without this bhakti, the other way is without bhakti, being falling into, going down path. Yati na anyadhagatim Vimohanam hi dehinam. One, anybody who is enclosed in the dehas is dehi. Vimohanam. Vimohanam hi dehinam susankarasya chintanam. Moha will be removed. Vimohanam hi dehinam susankarasya chintanam. This good chintanam, this thinking, this thought process of Sankara, this chintanam will create, one is Vishuddhameti Vimohanam hi dehinam susankarasya chintanam. So that is finally the Falasruti 15th sloka. पूजावसान समये दशवक्त्र गीतं यस्यम्भु पूजन परं पठति प्रदोषे तस्य स्थिरां रथगजेन्द्र तुरंगयुक्तां लक्ष्मीं सदैव सुमुखीं प्रददाति सिंभुः. At the end of puja, Pujavasana Samaye, Dasavaktra Geetam, this song written by, given by Dasavaktra, who is having 10 faces, 10 necks, 10 kanthas, Dasavaktra Geetam, Ravanasura, Yash Shambhu Pujana Param, whoever is Shambhu Pujana Param, who is doing the puja of Shambhu, Pathati Pradoshe in the evening, Pradosha Rajani Mukhaha in the night, Pradoshe, Tasya, for such a person, Sthiram, very stable, Radha Gajendra Turanga Yuktam. Radha is the chariots, Gajendra is the elephants, and Turangas are the horses, Yuktam. So they represent different types of wealth, vehicles, and prosperity, and required swiftness, speed. Yuktam Lakshmim Sadaiva Sumukhim. Lakshmim, the goddess Lakshmi, always Sadaiva Sumukhim, always Sadaeva Sumukhim, always Sumukhi with good face or face towards him. Pradadati Simbhu. Shambhu will Pradadati, gives, he gives by the contemplation on this stotra. So this 15 slokas known as the Sivatandava Stotram is of that power, which has Shiva Puja, Shiva's Tandava, the secret of Shiva's contemplation, that from the feet to head, and all these different techniques of tantras, everything has been given and packed into one this thing. And also, as said in 14th and 15th slokas, the results are guaranteed to be achieved by those who Vimohanam hidehinam susankarasya chintanam. Let God Sankara give such prosperity to one and all. Swasti.